Hey guys, Garrett here, and today I'm going to show you guys how to install iOS 6 on the first iPad today. So let's get started. In order to install iOS 6 on the first iPad you just need to download Legacy Kit. I'll leave the link in the description below. You will need to go into Terminal. Drag the restore.sh file into Terminal. Hit return. And there we go. If you guys are doing this for the first time, you will have to install the command line tools when it asks you and install an update for the tool. Next, we're going to click on Restore Device, go down to 6.1.3. We're going to hit Download Target IPSW. Now, we're going to hit Download Base IPSW. We're going to select both Target and the base IPSW. What this will do is create a custom firmware for the first gen iPad. Press Start Restore. I'm going to select No for jailbreak and select Pwned DFU. We're now going to send the device into recovery mode. There we go. Now we're going to hit Yes for DFU mode. Hold the home and power until the device turns off. Release the power and continue holding the home button. There we go. Device is now in DFU mode. It's now going to start creating the custom IPSW for iOS 6. And this is untethered as well. If you guys are doing this with standard USB, you can do this normally. If you guys are using USB-C only, like I am, you'll have to disconnect and reconnect for each step after this. I'll let you guys know when that is. And there's a custom file. Disconnect, reconnect, do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, reconnect. And there we go. Now the device will start restoring to iOS 6. The restore has now finished. And there we go. Now we're booted into iOS 6. If you guys get stuck at the could not activate iPad screen, which is common with iOS 5 and iOS 6, you just connect your computer to iTunes or Finder and your iPad will activate. There we go, activating. And now my iPad is fully activated. I am now running iOS 6 on my iPad first gen. This was actually an IPSW for a second gen iPad, which was modified for the first one. I'm now going to get some games installed to show you how well it performs. Alright, I'm back. All of my apps are now installed, 203 to be exact, and I am not jailbroken either. What I noticed is that apps for iOS 5.1.1 or earlier ran just like before, no issues. For apps requiring iOS 6.0 through 6.1.4, those apps did struggle a little bit, but some of them ran just fine. Others ran a lot slower and it lagged a lot too. Some things on the iPad are broken. For example, the keyboard sound, it's very quiet, even though I'm max volume. The Wi-Fi will reconnect sometimes, and the charging sound is very loud as well. that is how you install iOS 6 on the iPad 1st gen. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.